Carolina, Mecklenburg County
It's
in
for
the
me.
Piedmont of North Carolina, Cleveland County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Gaston County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, Northeastern Union County in the Piedmont of North Carolina, until 8:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 7:39 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 16 miles southeast of Morganton to 4 miles southeast of downtown Concord, moving south at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Charlotte, Gastonia, Huntersville, Concord, Shelby,
This is
Matthews,
not good.
and Lincolnton. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report damaging winds, hail, or flooding to the National Weather Service by calling toll-free 1-800-267-8101 or by posting on our Facebook page or tweet it using hashtag NWSGSP. Your message should describe the event and the specific location where it occurred. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8:30 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in North Carolina: Cabarrus, Cleveland,